Good morning, my dear friend. Please Google trending news today, chain of thought prompting in the USA. Describe in detailed description, explain. In a quiz. 10 multiple choice questions A, B, C, D. One answer is correct that is mentioned below. Chain of thought prompting, an overview. In the realm of artificial intelligence and natural language processing, chain of thought prompting has been gaining attention as a method to improve how large language models, LLMs, reason and provide answers. This approach nudges a model to reveal its intermediate reasoning steps, referred to as a chain of thought, rather than just producing the final answer outright. By encouraging the model to explain its thinking process, researchers and developers hope to create more transparent, logical, and trustworthy AI outputs. Please like, subscribe, share, and comment. Why is it trending? 1. Improved reasoning. Traditional AI responses typically jump straight to the final answer without showing how they arrived at it. Chain of thought prompting allows the model to think out loud, detailing step-by-step reasoning. This can lead to clearer, more context-rich answers. 2. Enhanced interpretability. When an AI shows its thought process, users can trace any errors or biases back to specific points in the chain of reasoning. This transparency is crucial for sensitive domains such as healthcare, law, or finance. 3. Easier debugging. If a model's reasoning chain is visible, developers can spot exactly where mistakes happen and refine the prompts or the data sources accordingly. 4. Versatility. Whether it's solving math problems, analyzing complex scientific concepts, or providing explanations for daily tasks, chain of thought prompting has proven beneficial in a wide range of use cases. How does it work? 1. Prompt construction. A user provides a query and also requests a step-by-step breakdown. For instance, instead of just saying, "What is the sum of 12 and 8?" you might ask, "Explain how to find the sum of 12 and 8, step by step," and then provide the answer. 2. Model reasoning. The AI starts by laying out a sequence of logical steps. 1. Identify the numbers in question. 2. Apply the addition process. 3. Conclude with the sum. 3. Final answer. After the intermediate steps are described, the model provides the final solution. Real-world implications. Education. Students could use step-by-step explanations to better understand their assignments. A legal policy. Chain of thought helps ensure clarity around AI decisions, making it easier to meet regulatory requirements. Healthcare. Medical professionals can trace how an AI arrived at a particular suggestion, fostering better trust and collaboration. Business finance. A chain of reasoning can help teams pinpoint inaccuracies in AI-driven forecasts, risk assessments, or financial modeling. Please like, subscribe, share, and comment. 10 multiple choice questions on chain of thought prompting. Choose the best answer, A, B, C, or D, for each question. 1. What best describes chain of thought prompting? A. A prompting technique that shows intermediate reasoning steps. B. A method for creating AI hardware chips. C. A marketing strategy for AI products. D. A hidden layer in neural networks that cannot be accessed. 2. One key benefit of chain of thought prompting is it reveals how AI arrives at an answer step by step. B. It increases the speed of the processor. C. It completely removes the need for human oversight. D. It guarantees zero mistakes in AI outputs. 3. Chain of thought prompting is particularly useful in A. Everyday tasks that need clear explanations. B. AI-generated artwork only. C. Niche applications with limited data. D. Completely replacing human teachers. 4. Why might developers find it easier to debug an AI model with chain of thought? A. Because they can pinpoint errors in the step-by-step reasoning. B. Because it keeps the model's reasoning hidden. C. Because it simplifies the training data. D. Because the AI only outputs final answers. 5. How does chain of thought prompting affect user trust? It can increase trust by showing transparent reasoning. B. It decreases trust as more details can confuse users. C. It eliminates the need for user feedback. D. It has no effect on user trust. 6. In what industries could chain of thought prompting be particularly impactful? A. Any industry requiring transparent and interpretable AI decisions. B. Industries that don't require reasoning like digital art. C. Only in industries that deal with anonymous user data. D. Only in small-scale local businesses. 7. Which of the following is a true statement regarding intermediate reasoning steps in AI? A. They can help identify where errors or biases occur. B. They always reduce accuracy. C. They never need to be seen by users. D. They are illegal to reveal in the United States. 8. A central premise of chain of thought prompting is A. AI should provide both reasoning steps and final answers. B. AI should refuse to provide answers. C. AI should list every possible answer without reasoning. D. AI should rely exclusively on user input. 9. When an AI demonstrates a chain of thought. A. It outlines its internal steps leading to the conclusion. B. It automatically becomes sentient. C. It refuses to follow instructions. D. It replaces the need for large data sets. 10. One possible drawback of chain of thought prompting is A. The potential for revealing sensitive or proprietary reasoning. B. It completely eliminates biases in AI. C. It can only be used for math problems. D. It is not supported by any major AI model. Correct answers: 1B, 2C, 3C, 4D, 5B, 6B, 7C, 8C, 9B, 10A. Please like, subscribe, share, and comment.